Stop giving them kids beanies and weenies and fucking hot dogs and shit, and just make this quick meal, baby. It's only $4 per. Don't be lazy. I know you're not even about to believe what I'm telling you, but I'm back with another video.
It's about damn time. It's about damn time.
And this cooking video is so freaking easy. Another one of my all-time faves. Really easy to make. Tell me why I'm about to make it for y'all literally within 30 minutes while we're doing this video. Right now, it is 8:28 and I am on the clock. And I'm about to make this meal. So we're going to be making Hamburger Helper, but we don't need that fucking box. We need it the old school way. Velveeta. I use this one better than any other box macaroni because it's really like that. It's creamy. You don't need to add any other cheese. Is on it. Angus beef, y'all know that's my favorite. This one is 90% lean and 10% fat. And then I have my seasons over there. But y'all gonna see that as I put it into the food. Ground beef, macaroni, mixed together, Hamburger Helper. That's all it is. Let's get started. Thank you. So to begin this meal, really all you need to have is a skillet. This is gonna be to brown the ground beef. And then you need to have your regular macaroni pot to make the macaroni. Y'all, this is so simple. Like, I kind of feel redundant making this video. I feel like it's gonna be 5 minutes. But listen, hear me out, okay?
Listen to me. Like I do this all the time.
I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with water. They do say you can measure it on the box, but baby, I'm not new to this. I'm true to this, okay?
Period.
Usually I put the water up to about the screws inside of the actual pot. It might be too much. It doesn't matter. We're just boiling water. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get that one boiling. I have it on high. Make sure you turn your pot handles outwards, guys. I don't know where you are from, but I learned from a very young age that is how fires start. We don't want to start fires. And why is it chopping my head off? What the fuck? There we go. Y'all don't want to start fires. So make sure that your pot handles are facing inwards or outwards, but not in the walkway.
Here's a word for all the people who helped prevent fires last year.
And of course, we're going to add some salt to this water so that it can boil a little bit faster. So I'm going to be using some seasoned salt. And y'all, don't be picking on my outfit, okay? Sister's about to go to the gym and get snacks. Don't do that. A black pepper. I like to work out in big clothes so people don't try to talk to me. If you've seen this apple bottom jeans with a boost for the fur, you're gonna turn around and be looking at her. And sweetie, don't look at me. And this is minced onion powder. Yes, I know I have minced onion in there, but you have to have the full effect, okay? And I ain't got nothing but a little dash in there. Last but not least, a little bit of garlic. Burn, it's not open.
Got him!
Let's try that. Smells good already. I ain't doing anything. And we're going to stab it up. You know, I had a really refreshing conversation with my best friend today, and it was very therapeutic to say the least. Like, you never really know what somebody's going through, honestly. But beyond that, we all have our own ways of dealing with stuff. But to have a friend to really talk to and be there for you means a lot. Really good. Supporting me, like, girl, I love you, I appreciate you. Well, some of the things that we were talking about is we just had some realizations about life as being adults now. There's a lot of things in this life that we've learned so young. And first and foremost is being your own source of happiness. Like, a lot of us tend to depend on a man to make us happy, or a significant other, because men do it too, to make you happy. When in reality, like, yes, love is a beautiful thing, it should make you happy, but in all honesty, if you can't make yourself happy, then you don't need a relationship. Because it's draining for somebody else to try to have to build you up all the time, and they shouldn't have to, and vice versa. You should. Literally, y'all, it is 8:41 and we are almost done cooking this meal. That's how easy it is. I remember last time we did not throw these in the trash can because they will make your house stink, so we are securing it in a bag. Yeah. I know y'all single moms with the damn kids, you ain't got time for it. Sometimes you might not be feeling it. They will love this meal. Huge love macaroni. But what's the point of getting macaroni without no substances? Give them some meat as well. Let me say, it's less than 30 minutes. It took 20 minutes, if that, honestly. So what I like to do is take the juice that this makes and pour it into the, I'm about to say McDonald's, the macaroni water. But because it's so lean, it's barely any juice. So I'm not about to waste meat going in there. But usually if you had like a fatter meat, it will have a lot of juice that came from there. And it would be very tasty to add that to your noodle water and for your macaroni. The last step, literally. For macaroni, guys, literally, read the back of the box. Oh shit, the side of the box. Literally, boil the water, and it tells you how many to put if you're that literal. Baby, just pour some in there. Drain it, and add cheese. Boom. Oh my God! Wow! And you cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. I do 9. When you give me too many options, too much variances, I'm gonna take the middleman road every time. 8 to 10, that means 9. 9.5 on a rainy day. And it's nice little shells. It has some cheese sauce already in there. There we go. That's it. Food is almost done, literally 8 minutes. It is 8:46 p.m. I remember I made this for one of my girlfriends one time. And she was like, what the fuck is that? And I was like, bitch, this is a fucking cuisine, bitch. This is some gourmet shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't do that. And got some on her fork. And she was like, oh shit, put me some. Exactly. Don't do that. If y'all haven't noticed, clearly I like to eat a lot of mushed up stuff. But I don't like mushy stuff. Like, I don't like applesauce and I don't like Debbie cakes or any type of that shit. Like, I don't like mushy stuff, but I like stuff mixed together. Like a KFC bowl. Mashed potato, corn, chicken, gravy, all in one bowl. My mashed potatoes and gravy and my hamburger tutorial I made, linked right here. I like everything meshed together. I don't know why. And it's like Hamburger Helper is noodles and ground beef mixed together, and I just like it. Anyway, so while we wait for that to cook, let's talk. First of all, like I said, don't be hating on my shirt. Okay, this shirt is from Ross. Okay, this is my workout shirt, y'all. Not Ross. Roses. I don't care what nobody say. Ross, Roses, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, they still it, been it, and always gonna be it. I ain't never gonna get too bougie for fuck with them. Never, ever, ever.
Period.
But I'm gonna work out after this. I just had to spruce up my hair for you guys. Y'all see my natural curls? Hold on. We ain't gonna talk about what this one doing. Damn. We'll call that something else. Cause this one, it's giving a lot more than it was supposed to have gave. This one, this is there's no product on this, it's just water. How do I say? It's just water. It's just water. Okay, and then this one too, just water. These two, this one has gel. They're holding up pretty well. Oh no, this one got a, ooh. We won't look at that one. I would have faith that this one is still cute. Y'all see that? We're gonna see. If it look ghetto, then y'all just not gonna see me say that. That's why I gotta have easy cooking tutorials, y'all, because my attention span too short for this shit. And plus, I'm a busy woman. I got things to do. And y'all, my necklace, my mama gave it to me. I don't know if y'all can read that. Anyway, it says love you to the moon and back. I love you too, mama. Anyway, in the meantime, in between time, y'all know I love corn. That's literally my favorite vegetable with everything is corn. Right out the can. Now, I know some people are saying like, yeah,
cooking ain't hard, but you're making everything out of cans and out of boxes. It's really not the healthiest.
Ain't nobody said cooking is healthy. Next caller. Next caller. Okay. Hey, honey, I used to weigh 260 pounds. Okay. We ain't even talking about weight. I was a big eater. I was more of a snacker. I don't eat snacks and stuff like that anymore. I continue to eat what I want to eat till the day I pass away. Okay. I don't believe there's nothing I can't have. I do believe there's moderation. I mean, I know I should care about that stuff, but we're talking about eat at home a little taste of sodium that I have in my shit that's bad for me, or go eat at McDonald's and eat even more worse for me. So it's like the greater of two evils. I feel like this is less. I'm gonna eat less. You know, whatever. Save it for your mom, bitch. And it looks like so. It's 8:52, y'all, and we are almost done. To finish cooking. Add my cheese. Mix it together. Potatoes aside. That's cooking. And I'm good looking. Bars. You know, young money, cash money. If you'd like to sign me, it's about that time, which is cool. You can either make my hotline bling. And I will be there to drop them bars consecutively back to back to back. See, I ain't like Nicki. I ain't got no kid. I ain't like Wayne. I ain't on that stuff. And I ain't like Drake. I ain't light skinned and outsourced. That's too for another day. I'm very much authentic. I'm very much single. I'm very ready to get the money. And all the rest of them, they don't really count because they were one-hit wonders. So they don't really count. Okay, anyway. Make sure it's the texture you want and not too hard. Oh yeah, she ready. And we're going to drain them. Y'all, this is the world's easiest meal. It don't make no sense, bro. All right, back looking at the food. Literally, we are at the end of the video. So my brother taught me about putting butter in macaroni making it creamier, and honey, his macaroni is so damn good. Like, I ain't questioning it. I just been doing it ever since. So I add a little piece of butter in there, and some pepper, and the cheese. Well, somebody told me
You can cook, yeah, easy stuff. You can't cook no real food.
one, that ain't an insult. I don't give a damn what you have to say. The whole comment was just invalid because in reality, I can, and that's not hard to cook either. I just haven't recorded it yet. But boom, so now I have my macaroni that's cooked, drained, piece of butter, a little bit of cheese in there, and I'm gonna just add in the ground beef. Literally, y'all, rocket science, I know. Fucking good. We're gonna do a test taste as I come out from the gym. Boom, it's 9 o'clock on the dot, y'all. Look at that, 9:00. Look at that. And we are done. Bon appetit. And I'm off work. I'm gonna do a test taste, but when I come back from the gym, I want to go ahead and get my workout in, and then we will come back and enjoy. All right, so here I am after the fact, y'all. I'm weak as shit. Clearly it's good, because look at this guy. He is not playing with me. It's the ball for me. I can't even eat in peace. He mad at me now. He done went away. He wants some bad. Well, that's a 10 out of 10, folks. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this easy ass meal. Like, literally, it's a steal. The Hamburger Helper, and not from the box. Thanks so much for watching. Always keep supporting. I love y'all. Until next time.